Once there was a mountain called Peak 15. Nothing was known about it. But in 1852, the surveyors found it was the highest in the world, and they named it Everest.
The COVID-19 pandemic has been one of the most challenging periods in the history of the NHS. It has forced us to adapt and innovate like never before.
When men were first drawn to Everest, it was an unknown quantity. Something entirely beyond them.
It was a monumental achievement of partnerships, collaboration, and the strength of us in the NHS.
Something entirely beyond them.
To be a part of this programme of work is very humbling.
A climber climbs with his guts, his brains, his soul, and his feet.
We have learned a lot from it. A lot about ourselves and the way we work best, and a lot about the things we can achieve when we're not afraid to take risks and innovate for the benefit of our patients.
The health system is still under immense pressure, but it is absolutely crucial that lessons are learned from how we work together to respond to this challenge.
The air is getting thinner and thinner. At such heights when you're lacking oxygen, you may think you're normal, but you're not. You're moving in a dream.
The Dragon's Heart Institute will be the key to unlocking the very best of our NHS.
It doesn't matter who you are, doesn't matter where you work within the organisation. If you've got an idea, come and see us. We might be able to help.
Leadership, collaboration and community care are central to shaping our future wellbeing strategy here in Cardiff and Vale.
Very small men cutting steps in the roof of the world.
We are creating a space for radical collaboration, bringing together world-leading experts from different sectors to solve our most enduring, wicked problems.
It's so vitally important that we do this.
I want to help you and our organisations become expedition ready. The challenges, the adventures, well, they're all around us. COVID is just one. Join us at your base camp. Set your own summit. Form a team. Join a movement that will take us from resilience to regeneration. The Dragon's Heart Institute will be here now to support you, all the way to the top.
Why should a man climb Everest? Because it is